Did you know the average person consumes over 20 teaspoons of sugar every single day? That's more than triple what health experts recommend, and here's the part that really shocks me. Most of us aren't even aware we're doing it. That's because sugar hides in the most unexpected places. It's not just in candy or soda. It's in your bread, your salad dressing, your healthy breakfast cereal, even your protein bars. Now I get it. Life is busy, and snacking is part of our daily routine. You're running from one task to another, and somewhere between lunch and dinner, you just need something quick to eat. But here's the challenge. When we reach for a snack, we often grab what's most convenient. And those convenient options are usually loaded with added sugars. Even the snacks that look healthy can be deceptive. Yogurts flavored with fruit often have more sugar than a donut. Granola bars, sugar bombs in disguise. And over time, all that hidden sugar adds up, leading to weight gain, energy crashes, mood swings, and a higher risk of serious health problems like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. But here's the good news. Snacking doesn't have to mean filling your body with sugar. You can enjoy snacks that are satisfying, energizing, and naturally free from added sugar. And today, I'm going to share 11 single food snacks that you can enjoy guilt-free. These aren't complicated recipes. These are real, wholesome foods that are easy to grab, taste amazing, and actually help your body instead of hurting it. By the end of this video, you'll see that sugar-free snacking isn't just possible. It can be delicious, diverse, and something you'll look forward to every day. Number 1. Blueberries. Tiny but mighty, blueberries are a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. They're naturally sweet, yet they contain far less sugar than processed snacks. And they're loaded with antioxidants that help fight cell damage. Blueberries also have fiber, which slows down the release of natural sugars into your bloodstream, preventing those sudden sugar spikes and crashes. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or even toss them into plain Greek yogurt for a refreshing snack. Plus, research shows that regular blueberry consumption can improve brain health and memory. Next time you crave something sweet, a handful of blueberries will hit the spot without sabotaging your health. Number 2. Almonds. If you want a snack that keeps you full for hours, almonds are a perfect choice. They're rich in healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, a nutrient that supports skin health and acts as an antioxidant. The crunch factor makes them feel indulgent, and the healthy fats help control hunger and prevent overeating later in the day. A small handful, about 23 almonds, is enough to keep your energy steady until your next meal. And unlike sugary snacks that leave you hungrier, almonds give you lasting satisfaction. You can enjoy them raw, roasted, or lightly salted. Just make sure they're unsweetened. Number 3. Carrot sticks. Bright, crunchy, and naturally sweet without any added sugar. Carrots are a classic snack that's easy to love. They're high in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, essential for eye health. The crunch makes them feel almost like a chip, but without the unhealthy oils or refined carbs. Keep a container of pre-cut carrot sticks in your fridge, and you'll always have a quick, portable, and sugar-free snack at the ready. You can eat them plain or with a small side of hummus if you want extra flavor, but they're great all by themselves. Number 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are the ultimate grab-and-go protein snack. Each egg has about 6 grams of protein, plus healthy fats that keep you satisfied. They're also packed with essential vitamins like B12 and minerals like selenium, which supports your immune system. What makes them perfect for sugar-free snacking is how filling they are. You eat 1 or 2, and you won't be reaching for something else 20 minutes later. Make a batch at the beginning of the week, store them in the fridge, and you'll have a nutrient-packed snack ready whenever you need it. Number 5. Celery sticks. Celery might not be the most glamorous snack, but it's a superstar for those watching their sugar intake. It's extremely low in calories, high in water content, and contains antioxidants that support digestion and reduce inflammation. Its crisp texture makes it refreshing and satisfying, especially if you're looking for something light between meals. It's one of those snacks you can eat freely without worrying about sugar or calories, making it perfect for healthy snacking habits. Number 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are a brain-boosting snack, thanks to their high omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats are essential for heart health and may even improve mood and cognitive function. They're also a good source of protein and fiber, making them a filling snack option. Just a small handful can keep you energized and focused throughout your day. The slightly earthy flavor makes them unique, and when you're craving something crunchy, walnuts are an excellent alternative to processed chips or crackers. Number 7. Cucumbers. Cool, crisp, and hydrating. Cucumbers are more than just a salad ingredient. They're extremely low in sugar and calories, but provide a refreshing crunch that's perfect for warm days or post-workout snacking. Their high water content helps keep you hydrated, and they contain compounds that may help reduce bloating. Slice them up, sprinkle a little sea salt or paprika, and you've got a snack that's fresh, satisfying, and completely guilt-free. Number 8. Pumpkin seeds. Also known as pepitas, pumpkin seeds are small but packed with nutrition. They're a great source of magnesium, which supports muscle function and helps manage stress levels. They're also rich in protein and healthy fats, making them ideal for steady energy. You can eat them raw, roasted, or lightly salted. Just avoid those coated in sugar or flavorings. A small handful is enough to give you that satisfying crunch and keep you going between meals. Number 9. Bell peppers. Sweet, crunchy, and colorful. Bell peppers are nature's candy without the added sugar. They're packed with vitamin C, which supports immune health, and they provide a crisp, juicy bite that's incredibly refreshing. You can slice them into strips and eat them plain or with a dip like guacamole for extra healthy fats. They're also a great way to add more vegetables to your diet without feeling like you're eating vegetables. Number 10. Dark chocolate. 85% or higher? Yes, chocolate can be part of a sugar-free lifestyle, if you choose the right kind. Look for dark chocolate with at least 85% cocoa content. At that level, it has minimal sugar but maximum flavor, plus antioxidants that support heart health. A small square is enough to satisfy a sweet craving without the sugar crash. The intense, slightly bitter taste is also a great way to retrain your palate away from overly sweet foods. Number 11. Boiled sweet corn. Naturally sweet but without added sugars, boiled sweet corn is a comforting, filling snack. It's high in fiber, which supports digestion, and it provides slow-release carbohydrates that keep your energy levels steady. Just make sure to enjoy it plain, or with a sprinkle of sea salt. Avoid smothering it in butter and sugar. Its natural sweetness makes it a great snack for satisfying cravings in a healthy way. So, there you have it. 11 single food snacks that are completely free from added sugars but still taste amazing. From blueberries to dark chocolate, these snacks prove that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. Which one are you going to try first? Or do you already have a go-to sugar-free snack that you swear by? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check out my other healthy living tips. Your sugar-free snacking journey starts now.